Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Physics Destination. In today's class, we are going to learn about the Coulomb's law. Sorry for this marker. Coulomb's law. This Coulomb's law can be also called as Coulomb's law of electrostatics. What is electrostatics? Electrostatics is a branch of physics which deals with the study of charges which are at rest position. Charges at rest. The word static itself says the charges which are at rest position. Okay, so we know that there are two types of charges are in nature. One is positive charge, another one is negative charge. If I have two positive charges, then there will be force of repulsion. If I have two negative charges, still there will be force of repulsion. Now, if I have one positive charge and one negative charge, then there will be force of attraction. Understood? There will be force of attraction takes place only if I have the opposite polarity. One should be positive, another one should be negative charges. Alright. So, here you can see one positive charge and one negative charge which are attracting each other. What they are doing? They are showing the direction of force. They are attracting towards each other. Since they are showing the direction of force, then what about the magnitude? Here I have the Coulomb's law to learn about all these things. Okay, let's move into the statement. Here I have the statement of Coulomb's law. Statement. The force of attraction or repulsion of a 2-point charges is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. What is the statement? The force of attraction or repulsion of two charges is directly proportional to the product of the two charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Let's see from the mathematical equation. Here, suppose think that I have two charges Q1 and Q2 which is separating by the distance R. Okay, so how you can write the statement in the form of equation? Here F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 divided by R square. According to the statement we have written the equation, right? So if I want to remove this proportionality sign, then I have to put k instead of proportionality sign. F is equal to k into q1 q2 divided by r square. So we know that the value of k is 1 by 4 pi epsilon, where epsilon is the permittivity of the free space. Permittivity of free space. We have to put the value of k in this equation. We will get F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 divided by r square. This is the equation of Coulomb's law, okay, where q1 F is the force and q1 q2 are the charges. R is the distance which is separating the charges, and this force is the electrical force. Okay, I have to write this electrical force. As you know, epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space. Q1 q2 are the charges, r is the distance. Okay, this was the simple equation of the Coulomb's law. I hope you understand. If you like my video, then share and subscribe my channel to get my latest videos on physics. Thank you very much.